Recently, coupes have had a little bit of a downfall because people want more room, more space. SUVs, those are very popular. But what if you could have both? Well, this is a Volkswagen Taigo. It's an SUV built with coupe styling. Even though this is a coupe style SUV, you don't sacrifice the amount of room that you've got. I mean, I've got loads of headroom in here. I've also got a nice amount of legroom, and I don't have to have my seat all the way back. On top of this, you've got really nice convenient features, like I can press this button up here to get my sunglasses out of here. Not all the cars come with my sunglasses in them. This one, they're only in this one. We'll move down to more convenience. You've got the aircon options down here with little slidey buttons. You've also got the technology. Technology is really helpful in a car like this. You'd sort of expect it, wouldn't you? You can go on here, you've got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all your connectivity, your maps, that sort of thing. You got two engine options, a 1.5 litre and a 1 litre. You have this in manual or a DSG with powers ranging from 95 PS to 150 PS. You got some pretty cool styling. You've got roof bars on here, and because this is an R-Line, you've got black roof bars, black wing mirrors, and 18-inch black alloys down here, with, of course, the R-Line badging. You get your usual Volkswagen trim levels of Life, Match, Style, and R-Line, and the wheels range from 16-inch to 18-inch. For example, these ones are 18-inch Missanos, and they actually come as part of the Black Pack. I'm the worst person to show how much room is in the back of a car, but unless you're carrying around loads of friends that are over 6'3", you'll be perfectly fine. I mean, I have got loads of room in the back here, decent amount of headroom really, compared to a lot of cars where I get squished in. And you've got a nice amount of legroom. I mean, this is in pretty much my driving position. I can sit here and my knees are gently touching the seat, but they're not crammed into the driver. And then you've also got really nice little things like having charging in the back for your kids, so they don't actually annoy you all the time and let play on their iPads, which you'll probably love. It's got 440 litres of boot space, and for a coupe style car, that's not bad. So if you want to find out even more about the Volkswagen Taigo, well, you can come down at one of our VW sites, either in Durham or in Sunderland, or you can go on our website, pullmangroup.co.uk, to find out even more.
Pulman, delivering a fantastic customer experience.